you're doing well. Okay, it's a beautiful weekend, and it's like the most of these assets are going to give us good trades today, and we will be checking them out one after the other. Okay, so just stay tuned and watch this video to the end because we will be checking out how most of these assets will go this weekend, so you too can also tap into it and make some good profit for yourself. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from me, kindly subscribe to this channel because, guys, that is the only way you can be notified each time I upload a training video like this. Okay, and you can also join the Telegram channel right here. You get full update about trading activities. You also get access to my free trading signals, okay, so that you too can also take advantage of it. Okay, and of course, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So let's start with GainX 1200. Okay, we are on 15 minutes time frame. So if there is any need for me to go to a new time frame, I will let you guys know. So this is GainX 1200, and just the way we are seeing it. Okay, right from here, we actually, if you remember very well, at the early part of this week, we actually traded it on uptrend and we milked it to somewhere here before having this major pullback and going back up again. Okay, so right now it has got into a new resistance zone. Okay, it has got into a new resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's tried to sell and add this pullback, which was something I was actually waiting for. Okay, now we've gotten a sell signal and we are expecting it to sell more right from there. Most especially, we want it to break out from this region. Okay, so right here we add our entry point. At this point, it is here to activate it, and at this spot we are having our stop loss. Okay, so if it is not going to sell, okay, then it will go back up and break out from this resistance. However, we are expecting it to sell because we've gotten the pullback. So the only way we can be assured of this is if it breaks from this structure right from here, then we know that it is on full downtrend. Okay, so that is why I am putting my entry point just below that. Okay, so let's see if it's going to activate it. We have some TPs for us to actually use to milk this particular trend in case it goes our way. Okay, TP1 is here, TP2 is here, 3, 4, and the last TP is this particular TP5. Okay, so because I am expecting it to get to this level. Okay, so let's see how it goes. For those that want to place multiple orders, you know how it goes. Okay, you can place, if you are placing 5 orders, you place all your 5 orders at this point. Okay, order 1 to close at TP1, order 2 to close at TP2, order 3 to close at TP3, order 4 to close at TP4. All these will help you to break even very fast. Okay, while you are waiting for it to get to order 5. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's move on, guys. Let's move on. So we will be checking out GainX 999 right now. GainX 999 had also been on uptrend for a very long time, very, very long time. We've been on it for weeks, guys. We all started from here, yeah, from here, and it has been on and on and on and on like that. There are major pullbacks in between, but it's more of an uptrend than a downtrend. It has gotten to this region, it has not been able to break out from there. So it sold for a while, went back up again, another region, even though it broke out from here. But we are waiting for the pullback. I mean, this is going to sell. And if it's going to sell, okay, if this is going to sell for long, um, we need to do a few things, okay? So let's see what we need to do. I want to try and pick up some things here. Okay, let me just pick this. Okay, okay. I'm going to pick this too, and Okay. So guys, okay, let me adjust this a bit. Okay, now let's go. So this is it. This is it, guys. So if this is going to sell right from there, we need to wait for the right signal before we can say it's going to sell. Okay, but if it's not going to sell, then it will go up again and break out from the resistance zone and even buy more. Okay, so but if it's going to sell, we expect it to activate it. I mean, this is going to be our entry point. It should be activated at this spot, and we are expecting it to get to this region easily, this particular region easily. Okay, so we're going to highlight some TPs for us. That is if it's going to sell. Okay, because it is still on a very strong uptrend. Just that because it has gotten to this region, I feel it should sell at that particular spot. But if it's not going to sell, it's going to break out above the resistance zone and it's going to buy. Okay, so that is it. So, like I always tell you guys, okay, I'm not going to tell you that my strategy is the best. Okay, there are so many strategies out there, but what I just try to do is to make everything very simple for myself. Okay, so I don't like complicating issues. Okay, so I go with a very simple strategy, and that is what I still use till date. Okay, so you can decide to use any strategy, but this is the strategy I am using, and it is working for me. So if your strategy is working for you, hold on to it and make sure you are using it, you are following it strictly. But this is the strategy that is working for me. It looks simple, it might not look complicated or not having so many times, just like um every other videos you have been watching. Okay, but this is the one that is working for me. Okay, I've tried different strategies before, but I think I love this. It's so simple, so clear, and of course I'm enjoying it. So this is it, guys. This is it. If it breaks out from here, then we should know that it is buying more. Okay, but because this is trying to give us something like double top, so I want to believe that it should sell right from there. And if it sells, then this place is the main target. But if it breaks out from here, then we might get it around there or even below this. But I'm stopping at this spot first. Okay, now let's see, guys. So now let's see Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 is also giving us the same vibes like what we had under Gainex 999. Okay, you can see it came on downtrend and then went back on uptrend, and this is a huge trading opportunity. As you can see, it broke out from here and it is still buying, guys. It is still buying. Let me go to H1 to see what is happening right from there. Okay, just where we are saying this is still buying, so it is still mainly on uptrend. So we just need to continue with the uptrend with that. Okay, there will be pullback, sure, there will be pullback, but it is more of an uptrend than a downtrend. The best part to have come in is somewhere here. Okay, you would have been in big profit right now. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, so Paynex 1200, for Paynex 1200, it is still on uptrend. If you want to trade the uptrend, wait for the pullback before you go into it. Okay, so but for now, that's the only thing we can still trade on it for now. It might not be for long, but that is what is working right there. Okay, so now let's check out Paynex 999. Okay, let's check out Paynex 999. So this is Paynex 999. I gave us this signal yesterday, no, before the day before yesterday, that it's going to buy, and of course you can see it bought till it got to this region. And yesterday night, we actually analyzed this asset that it's going to give us our entry point at this spot. Okay, we give us our entry point at this spot, and of course our what they call stop loss is somewhere here, and we highlighted some TPs for ourselves. You can see it activated the entry point. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, and it is about achieving TP4. Okay, which I believe should be the last major TP. But if it breaks out from there, I am expecting it to get to this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so TP5 is still there, guys. So this is a beautiful one, and I'm really happy we are able to achieve this. Okay, after this, if it breaks out from this support zone, then it's going to sell more. If it does not, then wait for it to switch. Okay, into an uptrend. Okay, so that means that we have an opportunity to buy again. Now let's move on, guys. FX volume 80 is the next thing, right? So for FX volume 80, this actually was an uptrend before, and it got to this region. It was unable to break up from there, so it switched into a downtrend and sold for a while. We actually set up this signal, and of course, it gave us TP1, 2, 3, and 4. It didn't get to TP5, okay, and it went back on uptrend. We didn't trade this uptrend, we didn't trade this uptrend, okay, but we traded this downtrend, okay. So, and I'm really happy we were able to achieve that. So right now it's about to repeat the same thing. So it has gotten to the same resistance zone, has not been able to break out from there. So it gave us a downtrend signal, and we have this set up, okay. So let's see how far this will go. So let's see if it's still going to give us all the TPs all over again, and probably maybe to get to this region this time around. Okay, but right now it is having a little pullback. Once it is done with the pullback, then it will continue with the downtrend and sell more. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with today. All you need to do is just for you to understand every part of the strategies shared here, so that you will know how to go about it on your own. This is the main info right here, guys. I want you to be able to generate the signals on your own. Okay, it is not about me, it is about you, about us, guys. You need to be able to understand this strategy so that you too can generate signals on your own. So that is the essence of this, guys. You don't need to wait for me before you generate your signals. So if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And of course, if you love my content, kindly subscribe to this channel right now so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Thank you and God bless you.